You are a freelancer making good money, but every dollar still flows through the same personal checking account you opened in college. Your business income, client payments, and tax savings are all tangled up with rent, groceries, and streaming subscriptions. You know you need a dedicated business bank account, but every time you start researching, you find dozens of options and no clear answer on which one is actually best for freelancers. Today, we are fixing that. This is a head-to-head comparison of the 5 best business bank accounts for freelancers in 2026. We are looking at Relay, Mercury, Novo, Bluevine, and Lily. Real fees, real features, real integrations. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which account fits your freelance business. Welcome to the Freelancers Wealth Blueprint. We help freelancers and self-employed professionals build real financial systems so they keep more of what they earn. If that sounds like what you need, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next one. Let us start with the basics every freelancer needs from a business bank account. You need zero or low monthly fees because freelance income is variable, and paying $15 a month just to have an account open is money leaving your pocket. You need the ability to separate funds for taxes, operating expenses, and savings. You need solid integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. And you need mobile-friendly tools because you are running your business from your phone half the time. Every account on this list checks those boxes, but the details matter. First up is Relay. Relay is built specifically for small business cash flow management, and it is excellent for freelancers who want to organize their money into buckets. The free starter plan gives you up to 20 separate checking accounts and 2 savings accounts with no monthly fees, no minimums, and no overdraft fees. That means you can have a checking account for operating expenses, one for taxes, one for a specific client project, and they are all under one dashboard. Relay integrates directly with QuickBooks Online and Xero and connects through Plaid to Wave, FreshBooks, and Expensify. The savings APY on the free plan is 0.91%, which is not the highest on this list, but you are really here for the account organization. If you upgrade to the Grow plan at $30 per month, you get 1.55% APY on savings and additional features. Relay provides up to $3 million in FDIC insurance through ThreadBank and their sweep network. The biggest limitation is no cash deposits, so if clients pay you in cash, Relay is not the right fit. Next is Mercury. Mercury has become the go-to for tech-savvy freelancers and startup founders. Free business checking with no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and no fees on domestic wires. That wire fee alone saves freelancers who work with international clients hundreds of dollars a year. Mercury also offers treasury accounts that yield in the mid-4% range on idle cash, which is the highest yield option on this list if you keep significant reserves. You get unlimited virtual cards, built-in invoicing, and a clean API if you want to build custom integrations. FDIC insurance goes up to $5 million through their partner bank network, which is the highest coverage on this list. The downsides are no cash deposits and customer support is primarily email-based. So if you need to call someone and talk through an issue, Mercury is not ideal. Third is Novo. Novo is the simplest option on this list, and that is its strength. Free business checking, no monthly fees, no minimum balance, no transaction fees, and they refund up to $7 per month in ATM fees from other banks. Novo has a feature called Reserves that lets you create up to 20 digital envelopes to set aside money for taxes, profit, or specific goals. It works like the envelope budgeting method, but inside your bank account. Novo also has built-in invoicing and a perks program that includes $5,000 in waived Stripe processing fees, which is a genuine money saver if you process card payments. The integration list is solid with QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, Stripe, Gusto, and more. FDIC insurance is the standard $250,000 through their partner Middlesex Federal Savings. Like Mercury and Relay, no cash deposits. Fourth is Bluevine. Bluevine stands out for one reason: interest on your checking balance. The free standard plan pays 1.3% APY on balances up to $250,000 with no monthly fee, as long as you meet a basic monthly activity requirement. That is interest on checking, not savings. If you upgrade to the Plus plan at $30 per month, you earn 1.75% APY, and the Premier plan at $95 per month earns 3.0% APY on balances up to $3 million. Bluevine also includes invoicing, payment links, tap-to-pay for in-person payments, and up to 25 sub-accounts for organizing funds by project or category. If you are a freelancer who keeps a healthy cash reserve in your account, Bluevine literally pays you the most for it at the free tier. The trade-off is that the higher APY tiers have meaningful monthly costs. Last is Lily. Lily was originally built for freelancers, and it shows in the features. The free core plan includes a high-yield savings account at up to 400% APY, which is the highest savings rate on this list. You also get expense categorization, receipt capture, and access to send and receive wire transfers. Upgrade to the Pro plan at $15 per month, and you unlock automatic tax savings that sets aside a percentage of every deposit for estimated taxes. That feature alone can prevent the single biggest financial mistake freelancers make, which is spending their tax money. Lily provides up to $3 million in FDIC insurance through the IntraFi network. The higher-tier Smart and Premium plans at $35 and $55 per month add features like advanced accounting tools and priority support. So which one should you pick? If you want maximum account organization and cash flow management, go with Relay. If you want the best yields on larger cash reserves and you value a clean, modern interface, Mercury is your pick. If you want dead simple free banking with solid perks, Novo is the easiest starting point. If you want to earn interest on your checking balance without paying a monthly fee, Bluevine wins. And if you want built-in tax automation specifically designed for freelancers, Lily is the strongest choice. Any of these 5 accounts is dramatically better than running your freelance business through a personal checking account. The best one is the one you actually open and start using this week. Subscribe for more freelancer finance breakdowns. We cover taxes, banking, retirement, and wealth building for people who work for themselves. See you in the next one. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute tax advice. Consult a qualified tax professional for guidance specific to your situation.